FDA ne mandate ne say nnuro ni nnuane ni ade a yedi no kruma no Food and Drugs Authority ombehwe say drugs na yede ba no yede ye na fatase yede ye enso FDA no wada FDA nada FDA ada na ye no say nnuro no mo ba enya tufa omo fan show mochi omo de port Customs and Excise Preventive Service for no mo prevented de ya if say mudi no service no Customs, Excise and Preventive Service mo prevented your maboni say bevurem enso me no ka say more than 20 million worth of nnuro e bama mranche nya binom yes e fa bibi red yes e fa bibi red ye fa bi ashes we wom the police ni mo an so mo chi we for enso nnuro wo ese mranche e fa video ni bi kire mo adebe na esi no more fire ani ehwe ni di more fire general adebe na esi ni sa no Daniel fa video na kire wo oh na ni mranche e isa sa eish ye maba wa when him red way oh eish future leaders yo akosua we mu na senka empanimfo na ekwa komba be sha na mu emranche ni nyina ewu emranche ne sei kofia no pa hwe fi wani din na hwese most eye obituaries ebobo wo less than 40-30 emranche ni wu enuro no mo fa no bone no mo fa no national security we ojina ho wada yes red national security we ni adwuma national security where the yajuma oh no but why are we sitting down Kofi
this is critical
no but where ojina ho
critical issue
baby I do no Kofi baby me mensuno
very critical
mensuno adiaba no
pathetic
yeah but transam na is here and security to her
and you're funny say you're funny Kofi and you're funny and that me real boy ba ko pa ye ko fix the country 2021 near ko pie takrade look at this look at this look at that awurade nyame
9 months
hwade hey chale Ghana mummy sorry
more fire
dabi we dem mummy nyai we dem mummy nyai why hey we a serious conversation go be we need to have a conversation on this the youth is being destroyed by see so to see a dear way pa go be it boils down to the hopelessness of the youth of this nation it boils down to how the youth don't have any hope for tomorrow it will find no and trima and the he lives in a certain utopia if so nya juma nyo unemployment rate you tuni nya juma nyo government in government out we pretend to be building a nation and the youth pretend to be having the jobs this is the end result
more fire
and you may hear you be build your mind yanyo Kofi yanya and you may hear you be build your mind yanya pressing issues no yanya na petty things
na ye follow ye get
oh wow
more fire
wow no with the greatest of Food and Drugs Authority idea ba no Kofi ya kan so ene duai enkomo bia koso wo national security wo machi cocaine bi na ye de ani de akiri wo machi cocaine bi wo ye fisheries companies bi wo ho wo machi cocaine heavy na nipa na wo de ani mu ni NDC nipa ona fisheries company ni ene dia ona China fo bi na ne ye de akire me frɛ nipa no me wie me textile nipa no se mate se saa se mo na asi me no ka se wo machi nipa na wo frontier ma ye NDC nipa ni no en ne ko ye bi na ene anopa NDC nipa ni so ko bi na anopa ye follow the issue ye follow the case na by Wednesday ni aboa ye evidence nyina no na ye de aba betudwa ene ya cocaine fisheries company whatever NDC ni pani on China for dia no wa mu obi na front man no sa fisheries company ene akwachi cocaine heavy wo ho mo be kai say ye chi cocaine bi wo ye central kwa mu ho ana ye NDC ni pani bi na na Asasa mnako say yakata so omada so. Without the help of the system, there is no way people can be bringing in this kind of drugs.
Precisely so.
More fire.
There's no way.
Fire them.
And the political class, they know. They know those behind it. But the system is protecting them.
Exactly so.
Obi? And then year minus
I know what thing.
and then year minus
No shit.
So for the love, omo baby anka ho. Omo baby ani ho kofi. Saba omo baby ani ho. Well, Minister Nibeni. These are not the conversations at the forefront of the nation. This is not what bothers us. We are not having conversation about this. By now, national security in Penifo, you should be worried that this is happening.
More fire.
These are the boys that will be insurgency, will be recruiting, no be causing mayhem, but these are the boys that they will infiltrate.
More fire.
So it's a national security threat. Such a boy, woman, even 1,000 Ghana. What kuno? What can for bomb mission? What the bomb mission home? So we are leaving our youth hopeless, visionless, directionless. Then somebody will infiltrate.
More fire.
Especially when your president is in some way somehow causing with the coup makers. So you the president. Subconsciously, what you are doing is that you are legitimizing a coup making. What you know, be 2 hours because who coup makers and I don't know more fans. Now, you guys are soldiers for now. Almost performance in the
More fire.
So this is a national security issue.
Precisely so.
National security, Madaroma. Mutie, this is not right. FDA, Monsorin Hamuma Muhumeso, Manda, FDA Nada. Branch say, Obi, Enya Bibim Fahon. Why, Madaroma? Or minor young for politics and Tunche. Enya Bibim Fahon. This is very worrying.
Precisely.
And away back and another walk of fast, our story way maybe by. But we didn't follow up.
More fire.
I didn't dangerous. And me who could be a video beer. I want why say yama and sure that Hokrano. O monitor mu abra woni mi swaton.
More fire.
Or baby tia because of RED. And yet trendy at the end of social media say as if it's a joke. It is not a joke. Oh my, you are doing more tia do and you're very worrying. No, I see a worrying. We don't worry about them.
More fire.
Oba ni tiba hane sekatachi enya views wo Facebook rather than the mrante no about we say so for na energy nko ha. What is this? Mesremo momi enya bibi mfa ho why govi momi enya bibi mfa ho we dey madaroma enya MPP NDC system enya MPP NDC system ye dache govi na mrante ni wusa ho one way there will be a time where and kokrafo ni duru ba bi omutimi nya adwuma one way ye nya mrante mo nya adwuma the workforce of this nation will get eroded. Period.
Exactly.
Yan sorry free ho na yanko your next topic.
More fire.
And somebody who will be can who want to tell no answer so why want to tell now go be next topic, you know. Galamse no ada na media na idi
Ye mi anano.
Mobaka na Akufo Addo baye wa ne to anka akonya kura ani ye nyina ye di gina no so na Addo be ma sa abrofo no I put my presidency on the line and ya to abawie ye ko election na me ne kwa me speaker of a Kesben ye ko fa sa ye Galamse story baye e ma otumfo santehini nyam kase ode na no tum se ba bia aduru no tie eish mum ye nyina nka bi ano ya ye de kofi meboa general meboa asofo nyina asore and yes, and ye true baby. Ye better once maka. One year, almost any Akufo Addo class one declare state of emergency. And I said, Pani, I'm a Professor Jamponia, they are more position. It will you tag no more demonstration. And soon show ye ninte. And show ye gusutu. Ye gusu say forest. 2 months, 3 months into this administration. Stella. Stella. And it's even worse.
More fire.
Almost sense you know. Almost say a forest. Se say do pempeso and Cobra River no. Ensure ni mo ekọ sea ni mo bio. It is say sea ni na return to the land. And if the care is not taken, a day will come. You better be sorry one day. Now the whole place will come off. And all of us are quiet. The media is quiet. Era stores a year sare donko. Ono kwa na be long range of fighting. Be call ba ko ba ye say no me ye me nko bi ono kwa media no we nkwa ndani ho. Media no bebre nso hihim. Omo nyina akoromfo. Omo tu galamsey ni bi. Media for ebre. Omo ko chi omo a. Sa me magimie. Me dem ko chi omo ankoji concession. Enso still ese makoji concession. Me ko chi omo ankoji ska. Enso still ese makoji ska. Media me gimi ma no po me ba na be kan. Media for no kwa. Omo ko hu omo a. Tna house didi. No so aje concession. No afa yi pickers ni Sophie. No so tubi. Eti no monka wasem. Ko fi mesi media for bebre hihye galamsey nim. Omo tubi, omo concessions ahodo. Media for no. To ma koma no atum. Teacher for koma no atum. Asofo e wo kroma bebre tu galamsey. Businessmen bebre mu hu omo abonte galamsey tam. Omboa anya adwene bia no omo di osika. Bone. Galana. Gala business. Gala business no a. Asofo shim. Ahimfudie bobo. And cha for. What kind of cha so no the galamsey site?
More fire.
Well, he can't charge us. I know shall cost. I am for shall cost to a Gina Galamsey site teacher to her. Who to her? Baby, I am for baby. Winning more fire. I made a baby some. The YouTube were Jiminty, we on boom for more. Now, if you are more and a year minister of a year, lands and natural resources.